Alright guys, here's the on-demand water heater we're using by Aqua, 6 liter. When I purchased this, I thought it came with a vent stack, so this whole top's open, so I'm going to make a top for it so I can vent the heat out the roof. So that's what we're going to go do. So here I've laid the metal on top and I've traced it out. So I'm going to cut out this piece, cut out a hole for a vent, and then screw it to that water heater. What I'm doing right here is I cut one side. I'm going to drill a hole in the center and cut out the center hole while I have a piece to hold on to help clamp. And then once I get the center cut out, then I'll cut the other side off. Nobody gonna stop us. Well, nobody gonna ever no, nobody. Nobody gonna stop us. Well, nobody gonna ever no, nobody. Nobody gonna stop us. Well, nobody gonna ever driving away on the 40 interstate. We had gas in the Vegas Hall Pass. In the air, we were super fly. Driving down the highway, kind of like in time. Oh my, I gotta get it back to the 5. Finally hooked with her in park. Got this little cutoff wheel. I'm gonna smooth out the edges like a file. Nobody gonna stop us. Nobody gonna ever so we'll push it on top this Here we are, guys. We'll put her together now. What's up, everybody? Back here, about to install the water heater. I got all these brackets that I bent to screw to the side of this and to the wall and here to brace it all in there, which I'll show y'all. Also, we got this fixed on there. Looks like it was made to go on there. Right. Just like that. All right. Do a little pre-drilling here and see what happens.
nice. Now you're going to tape it on?
Yeah, so I want to try to keep the air going up and not out.
Hey, video.
You want me to hold it while you do that?
Yeah, that'd be great. Don't move. Don't move. Alright guys, back in here, got the vent on and going up to the refrigerator vent exhaust. I'm about to secure it with some banding so it doesn't move around and hopefully doesn't rattle too much. I think she's good to go. Look at Leo. Hi, buddy.
That was so cheesy.
About it. No, 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 no. About it. No, 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 no. About it.